Hi, this is in front of me Huawei MatePad paper, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first, let's open the settings application by click on the left down corner, then tap to the sounds and vibration, and you will see here sound mode section. Just to activate silent mode, you should just switch sound to the silent one, and if you want to turn it off, you should just switch silent to the sound back. We can see when the silent mode is activated, our notifications they just muted. So if you wanna turn off silent mode, you should unmute notifications, and by the same way to activate silent mode, just mute notifications. Also, that third way how we can do that, let's open the control panel, and here you'll see the silent switcher. Just to activate sound mode, you should tap on the silent switcher, and to turn on the silent mode, silent mode, you should tap on the sound one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.